Hi, Ron. Can you tell me about the transition program?
Of course I can tell you about the transition program. I like it because it teaches adult students with disabilities about adulthood.
What exactly do they teach there?
Personal social skills, daily living skills, vocational skills, and functional academics are our classes.
What type of activities do you do during the school day?
Field trips, grocery shopping for our lunches, Friday afternoon clubs, and most importantly job training.
What do you mean by job training?
Students go to in-house community job sites with the help of a job coach. Some sites include Chuck E. Cheese, Burger King, bowling alleys, TJ Maxx, and Walgreens.
Please tell me a little bit about the staff.
Teachers treat you with respect when you give them respect. Teachers assist you to become as independent as possible. They expect you to act as an adult. However, they listen to your wants and needs to determine what you need.
How do you get to job sites and grocery shopping?
We have 7 vans and a bus.
How do you register for transition?
It is a decision made by you, your parents, and your high school program.